Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about how to load the data from SQL server to the Python environment. So you can see here, I have one table into the Microsoft SQL. Okay, when I run this, so it gives me this result. So I want this data into the my Python environment. So how I can load this data into the Python environment? So let me jump into the my VS Code. So here what I did here, firstly I need to import the PYMSQL, which is work as the connector in Python. So basically this library connects Microsoft SQL Server to the Python environment. After that I imported the pandas module, you can see here, and here is the another file. Here I have created one credential file because I don't want to show my credential with you. Okay, so here I have created one cn underscore credential file, and in this file I have created one dictionary, and in the form of dictionary I have stored all the required credential. Okay, so when I run this, okay, it's working fine. After that what I did here, I use this PYMSQL connector, and PYMSQL connector dot connect. Connect is the method, and in this method I pass the server name, you can see here, and d dot server means our actual server name. So for security reason I kept this it into the dictionary, so you can't access my credential. Okay, so same thing, we need to pass the user, after that password and our database name. Okay, and when I run this, you can see here our connection success. Okay, after that here I write one I need to read all the data, so I write one SQL query which is select star from ecom data, because our table name is ecom data, you can see here. Okay, when I run this, you can see here it is running. Okay, after that what I did here, I use one built-in method of pandas which is read SQL. Okay, and for this method what I pass here, our query, okay, and our connection which is our Python to SQL connection. Okay, when I run this, you can see here, and when I print the df, you can see here our entire data from SQL server table, we got it into the in the form of data frame. Okay, so here we get the result in the form of data frame. Okay, thank you friends. To get more update, please like the video, also subscribe my channel so you get the update. Thank you friends, bye bye.